IndieGoGo tutorial for beginners. Raise money with IndieGoGo. This is a simple and easy guide on IndieGoGo tutorial for beginners. So first, you just have to go to IndieGoGo, indiegogo.com, and click the very first link that you can see here. This is what it looks like. Now, you can browse to see more information about this platform, or you can just go directly and start or create your account. So you can click the start a campaign, log in, or sign up. So since we don't have an account yet, so we have to click sign up and then enter our name, last name, password. We can also, or you can also sign up using your Facebook. But for me, I think the safest is you just have to simply add your email address and password. And here we have our account already. Now you can start a campaign. So here in Indiegogo, you can see this following options like pre-launch, crowdfunding, in-demand, and e-commerce. The first thing to do when starting on Indiegogo is to plan and prepare your campaign. First, you need to define your campaign goal, set a clear goal, and then research and validate your idea. Understand your target audience and ensure there's demand for your product or idea. Create a compelling story. Craft your narrative or plan your visual assets. Develop a rewards structure. You can offer perks and rewards, which I'm going to show you later. Build a community and audience, pre-launch marketing or gather early supporters, create your Indiegogo campaign page. You can use title and tagline, description media, set your funding goal, and timeline. So once you understood everything here, then you can now proceed. And for our tutorial, I'm going to pick this crowdfunding since it's all about raising money with Indiegogo. So before we proceed with crowdfunding, I'm going to explain a little bit information about each. So let's start with pre-launch. So pre-launch is a stage before your crowdfunding campaign officially goes live. This is when you build awareness, create excitement, and gather potential supporters. When it comes to in-demand after crowdfunding ends, in-demand is a phase that comes after your initial crowdfunding campaign. It allows you to continue raising funds and taking orders even after your campaign or your campaign deadline has passed. Okay, so let's start with our crowdfunding. So this is what it looks like. Basically, the first thing you should do here is you need to enter your campaign title. So this is the sample of my campaign title. And since our words and letters here are limited, so I need to delete and remove something. And this is what it looks like. So at the end, this is the name of my campaign right here. I just want to make it short like this. Okay, portable solar powered charger for adventure lover. Campaign tagline, provide a short description that best describes your campaign to your audience. And basically, it's also limited. So I need to cut, I need to delete some of this. So I'm going to delete this part right here, but basically, I want this tagline, but since it's limited, so I need to cut this part right here. So this is the final tagline. Now, what you're going to do here is you have to proceed with a campaign card image. So you need to upload an image right here that represents your campaign. You can use Canva. Okay, so upload image right here, and then your location, choose a location, include your city, state. Next we have here is category. So you need to select a category right here. Don't worry, there are tons of category that you can choose. Let's just say energy and green tech. Okay, and then is there a category you didn't see that would better describe your project? You can add it right here. Now let's move on to product stage. Okay, so here you can select current stage, you can select concept, prototype, production, and shipping. So let's start with concept. Okay, so for concept stage, your project is still in the idea phase. You have a vision or plan but haven't yet developed a working version of your product. You may have sketches, designs, or a clear description of what you aim to create. If that is so, then click this one. Prototype stage. The prototype stage is when you have created a working version of your product or at least a model of that which represents its functionality. It's not yet ready for mass production, but you can show proof of concept with an early version of the product. And then production stage. In the production stage, the product has been fully designed and tested, and you're ready to begin manufacturing. All kinks from the prototype have been worked out, and you're preparing to mass produce the product for your backers. And then lastly is the shipping stage. In the shipping stage, the product has been manufactured and you're ready to fulfill orders by delivering the product to your backers. So let's just say you're going to tap this prototype right here. So basically, once you tap this, you will see more information about this, the requirements. For example, these are the requirements for this prototype stage. Okay, so you have to fulfill, you have to meet this, and then you can now proceed. Now for tags below, you can set up at least 5 tags right here. So you just have to simply click and then look for the tag that you want. So basically, if I'm going to type anything here, then I can't proceed. So I need to select from any of the given tags below. Okay, you can add here any tags that you didn't see. For example, nature if you want. And then for a campaign, duration, you're only given 60 day for that, so you can add here how many days, like from 1 to 60. So you cannot proceed if you haven't added information. There shouldn't be a missing information here, because if there is, then you cannot launch your campaign. So you need to go back and then look what are the missing things. For example, you have to add the image, you have to add information, and so on. Now let's move on to the second part, which is the content. So basically, you have to add your video right here if you have your YouTube channel where you showcase your product, your idea or something like that, the visual idea of your campaign, of your product. Then basically, you can paste that URL there. Now let's move on to perks. Okay, so of course, Indiegogo perks are rewards or incentives offered to backers in exchange for their financial contributions to your crowdfunding campaign. So these perks are key motivator for potential backers and help increase the overall success of your campaign. Now, if you want to add a team member, you have to add their legal name, last name, more information about them. So you can also add their, or you need to add their email address and so on. Now, next we have here is, okay, so we have here funding. So basically here, in funding, in Indiegogo, funding and extras are key components of running successful crowdfunding campaign. For funding on Indiegogo refers to the process of raising money for a project through contributions from backers, people who support your campaign. And Indiegogo offers two main funding models: the fixed funding and the flexible funding. Now we have here the extras on Indiegogo. So extras are additional items or features that backers can purchase during or after contributing your campaign. They are a way to upsell backers and offer more value beyond the primary perks. Okay, and that's it. Now you can go to settings if you want to change something. Also here you can see this in demand here on Indiegogo. This one is a feature that allows campaign creators to continue raising funds and accepting contributions even after their initial crowdfunding campaign has ended. So what is in demand? Here is, you can see the post campaign funding, extended access, and you could also see here the benefits of in demand. Indiegogo is a global crowdfunding platform that allows individuals, startups, and businesses to raise funds for various projects, including tech gadgets, creative ventures, and social causes. It offers flexible funding options and allow campaign creators to reach potential backers worldwide. So I hope this video helped you. Thank you so much for watching, and see you again in our next video tutorials.